Good morning. I'm using my Max camera. Whew. That's an old camera. Not very good either. Well, it's old. And my Mac can't be upgraded anymore, so there's no change in it. Anyway, my phone is charging up right now, so I thought, hey, what the heck? Different angle. Hey, Tanner. So I've divested myself of all my metal, and I'm ready to go to London. It's another one of those blah days where it's completely overcast. We're supposed to get some snow later on, hopefully after I'm home. Now, I do want to go out before I go to London today, but maybe I won't. See, the Raph was already here today, and he said he was just cleaning up a bit downstairs, but it's a taper who are supposed to come today. I thought they told me they were coming on Tuesday, but he says he thinks they're coming today. So, I don't know. The tapers. I think it's one guy. I think there's never a plural on these things. If it's the plumber, it's just the plumber. The electrician. Okay, the electrician had more people. Yeah, he had more people. With Raph, it's Raph and Ken, who are the guys from Builders, who are pretty much doing everything else. And so it's the plumber, the electrician, and hi Tanner. Electrician, the taper. I saw the guy who brought the mud, different guy. The taper was a different guy. So in all those cases, it was just one person at a time. So the only person that came in plurals was the electrician. I just finished the dishes from last night. The ones that had been left out and didn't go into the dishwasher. I put away the dishes in the dishwasher. I really don't like dishwashers. I have always, well, ever since I became familiar with my sister and her having a dishwasher, I've had just a dislike of dishwashers. And it hasn't changed. And sure, it's handy to not do the dishes and just stick them in there and push the buttons. But I'm okay with doing dishes. And maybe if you've got a house full of kids or something, I don't know, then you need a whole lot of dishes too. And they don't have a whole lot of dishes. I don't know. I just dislike dishwashers. I dislike dishwashers. I'm not getting one downstairs. I don't have one downstairs. No. 2 sinks. Wash dishes once a day. Or twice a day. Whatever. You don't have to do a whole sink full of water. None of that stuff where they say, oh, you use way more water than... I don't. I don't. It's those people who run the water and do their dishes that way, and just they pour a lot of water down. That's not how I do dishes. Not how I was taught to do dishes. Yeah, so I'm not going to worry about going and doing my shopping. I can do that tomorrow if I run out of anything. Raph is here. Raph is here. Ralph is here. Let me see if Ralph is here. Yeah, that's Ralph's truck. So there's actually someone downstairs. Yeah, so I have to be in London. I have to be in the building by 1:20. It says right here on my itinerary, 1:20, arrival and COVID screening. So I already did that. Signed updated consent form. And then they put in the lock at 1:30. So boom, boom, boom. I have to be there at 1:20, up to 7th floor. He's doing something downstairs. Yeah. Put in the lock at the glass and the dye for the contrast. GAD. I don't know what GAD means. And my MRI is at 2 p.m. And I'm going to be done at 4. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to be there for a few hours. Maybe I'll take a snack on. Maybe. Anyway. Four. Yeah. It's because they have the bigger MRI in operation. So they want me to get my MRI done with a bigger MRI, the bigger machine. It's working again, I guess. It wasn't working for a while. We had a smaller one. So I had to go to that building. Really a different place. Seems like the same place. I have to be to a different 70 MRI. Alright, whatever. We'll see what happens.